Hey content creators, this might be the only gadget you need. The Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses can record videos, take photos, play music, and even use AI. But is it actually useful for creators or just another gimmick? Let's talk about it. Hey guys, welcome back to Devices Setup. Today we are checking if the Meta Ray-Ban Gen 2 is worth buying for YouTubers, vloggers, and social media creators in 2026. And honestly, the answer might surprise you. The biggest feature for creators is POV recording. Instead of holding your phone or setting up a camera, these glasses record exactly what you see. That makes your content feel natural and immersive. Imagine travel vlogs, cooking videos, gym content, bike rides, shopping videos. This creates content from your eyes literally, and that's powerful. Next, speed and convenience. Creators know one thing: fast content wins. With Meta Ray-Ban, you can instantly capture moments without pulling out your phone. That means you miss fewer moments. Voice commands make everything easier. Just say, "Hey Meta, record a video," and boom, you are live. This speed is huge for short-form creators, but it's not perfect. Battery life is decent, but heavy recording drains it fast. Video quality is good, but not pro camera level, and editing still has to be done on your phone or laptop. So if you want cinematic YouTube videos, this won't replace your main camera, not yet. So is Meta Ray-Ban a game changer or gimmick? For casual creators and short-form content, really a game changer. For professional filmmaking, still just a secondary tool. But one thing is clear: wearable content creation is growing fast, and Meta Ray-Ban might be leading that future. Would you use smart glasses for content? Drop your thoughts below and subscribe to Devices Setup for more gadget reviews and future tech videos. Thank you and have a blessed day.